Hello and welcome again to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to get a free domain and hosting for your WordPress website for free. So let's jump into the video. First, open any browser and search for pantheon.io. Once the website opens, click on Get Started or Profile from the top. Now, sign up with Google account. Here is a tip for you. One account allows you to host up to 2 websites for free. If you want to host a more website, you can use multiple Google accounts. Now click Connect with Google and then select your Google account. After signing with Google, enter your first and last name here. And then select your country. Then take the terms and condition and then click on Continue. Then you will see a dashboard like this. Now, click on Create New Site. Then choose WordPress as your CMS. Now, enter your site name. Then hit Continue button. Wait a few seconds and then click Visit your Pantheon site dashboard. This is your Pantheon site dashboard. Has a two option. One is Visit Development Site and other is Site Admin. Click on Site Admin. Continue. And then now install your WordPress. Continue. Here you will need to fill up some final details like site name, username, password, email, etc. Now, I'll provide step by step. And then confirm password. Type your email here. Then install WordPress. Well, then click Login. Done. You now have a working WordPress website with a free hosting. Now, you can start working on your website and learn everything you want for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Till then, take care.